Big bag, baba, make I dig bigger. When I got bigger, progress got bigger. Money and baby, sweet and bitter. Strings they attached to I'm like guitar. But we dey run the streets like cheetah. My dreams got bigger, getting bigger. Number one. Yes, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Remember to check this out. It's on Amazon.com. Hip hop and check it out. It's also at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Woman. Right? Come to Bona FM. You get a coffee too.
Different from the start. I'm an alligator salivating at your heart. Leaving teeth marks in your soul, a la carte. My street smarts on cold. Watch the plot unfold. Get stronger every day. Sometimes I think I'm close. How sick am I? Explicit rhyme, Richard by a non-sniffing difference. How Richard minds, none of y'all business. Just witness my flaws. Compare to yours. Yo, the cleanest man keep a trap in his drawers. Keep a broad in my car. Heavy chain I got on. Gotta lift weights to keep my neck straight down. Practice Donism, Khalil Gibranism, the horror like Brando. Apocalypse now, jarring, you understand it. Show egregious substantial like Ryan Leaf, the paying man and it's a trap. You know the deal when I lay me down. Big bag, baba, make I day bigger. When I got bigger, progress got bigger. Money and baby, sweet and bitter. Strings they attached to ram like guitar. But we dey run the streets like cheetah. My dreams got bigger and I'm still number one. Everybody already know I want the number one. No go love by it, no love by law. Number one. Everybody already know I want the number one. No go love by it, no love by law. Number one.
The father can be Fernandi. Never Nadi FM 103.5.
It's a vivid imagination. You can never ever be like it. You go for their dreams and meet the destiny. All of them know they told me. All of them when they die for me. Everybody say, I know what's up. I know what's up. Atlanta, bouncy, or double cup, I'm on a bounce, and I pull up some of them dance, EPD, ice, all of them love me, yeah. Cash, I think you're always on the road, but I need the show up. I'm so thankful, cause I'm so blessed, cash, I think you're hallelujah. That's what it's doing for you, haters. Oh, yo. Here we go. Sound of the TV, call on me. Sound of the TV, call on me. Sound of the TV, call on me. My enemies, they wait before you. All of them together, make it call on me. Sound of the TV, call on me. Sound of the TV, call on me. This you are still hiding. It's a vivid imagination. They can never ever be like me. They won't for their dreams, and me they see. All of them know they told me. All of them when they die for me. Everybody say, I'm up. I know what's up. I'm up. And you know what's up.
Because we no fair, shout out here. But because we no send young man who buy the bar now we can.
After them, don't bracket you out like a locker. Ooh, pray, please. Mama, throw it for the boys for Zanda. Hey, or you want to challenge the small boys, they cannot think of that. All the millions in that.
See how we did it to the ball like no man check and the best was getting.
Hey, I don't follow for the game where they play my advice. If you want to follow the way I like, you go say I. Why? You got to walk from forward to success like that. You got to run to fall. You got to run to cook or gamble or die.
Yeah, 20, come on, it's pull up with a girl, I believe she's going to below. Pull up to that team, and about the I run on the back. She be like, I pick up my hand, she's counting around me, and put on the house.
How many men they you to feel my body? You cannot start on my white shaky body. Pull up and play my I don't get time for money. You cannot see my body, so Kalaman will slowly approach you.
Bitches are better, comfortable like one time. They go the money up, everybody, they run the beat like gold down. Yeah. But I should pay me a brother. Lose the conquest of the ocean, see how they fire. The money long as the hammer. I know they play with them, it's the return of the dollar.
The club we know send young man who buy the bar now we spend. We after them, don't bracket you out like a locker. Mama, throw it for the boys for Zanda. So, hey, or you want to challenge the small boys, they cannot think of that.
All the millions on his soul, and I say, now we put them in the wrong one. Now we did it to the ball like no man check and get the
Gentlemen, tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride.
Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed, let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin Efanshuku, aka Meta.
And Crazy F.E. Emenari, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5 FM DSN.
Yeah, mama, this matter is flexible. Which kind of person carry back up for 10 people? Which kind of person carry this kind of type of first? If I die, so fast, not even sensible. Me say, I go show you, say I carry plastic. The boy clean like it, that's what the first was. Bucket you clean like I did plenty vegetable. I'm sure you tell you, no go tell me on it. I tell you, my down the matter. I swear I like this your pattern. You like you know like Okaka. Me say, I tire, some feel they walk up. I call you my down the matter. I swear I like this your pattern. You like you know like Okaka. Me say, I tire, some feel they walk up.
Walking up with the beat, all like a boy, now we are just together. Walking up with the beat, all like a boy, so we are just together. I want you, I want you when I want you. I want you, I want you when I want you.
If you want to come time the face, you know go tell I go shine the place. Fuck yourself.
can get it. Yes, Obula believe. Yes, and I call and keep as well. And a lot of men, you have to go, women in their life, yeah, like maybe girlfriend or any other call on a very good day. Now, Pekoko is where you on a very good day. Manobona Bakaso did too much. If for that man, I'm gonna like a galon when you know, I'm gonna like any so all the time. Macon with Hakafa somewhere, and then never have a sea bros, GCK. In our bumboy, you have to go. A lot of things to talk about on this particular edition of Birthday Splash. And this is how we are balling in. Up on the moon, what kind of metal?
No, I am for classic.
Yes. Emmanuel, this is cool. Let's sort the imperialism before it becomes Iberiberism. Akoko Oti Boju. We have a lot of things to talk about because Nankikba as well. And I you know, the man about Didi na US. And I said, did he do it? Did he do it? Yeah, somebody say yes, he did it. Didi. We'll talk about all of this. A lot is going down right about now. But right about it, for now, say welcome to Birthday Splash. Never on the 103.5 FM.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
It's about to go down right about now.
Just another year, giving my life to all the best.
Yes, Hollywood, you know, now US but one place celebrities because most times you look when I begin have a lot of celebrities, you know, and LA, Los Angeles. And I go on most people who celebrities over there. Now here we go, you know, breaking and entry cases, you know, a situation whereby in a hasipa na no po if onye abomba tabefa biacho ko nwa no ifo yezute asema no so onye MBD fa on a very good day. Asema PDD based on Kamatasi Adi on a very good day. A lot of people you have to go when they understand that the man of Muke na is Muki BF. A lot of people fully like that. Mekuzi Edgewena accuse you of, you know, sex trafficking, a lot of things, and I accuse you, Melo, you know, Homeland Security way invaded his home. And now because the thing, now because because one of the things, a major thing, everybody now becoming on web that, you know, a situation whereby I break into his house. But that's not meaning in his wood on a very good day, the man. Now, so on your way, you'll be buying a beer on a bar. Actually, based on the matter of two group of company or Callaghan money, a lot of things to talk about. You're going to talk about food right about now. Akoko Oti Boju. But you know how we do it, you know, weekdays in the morning, whenever we're balling like this, we get to celebrate you. You have to go celebrate anyone around you. We celebrating this morning, or birthday, anniversary, or chieftaincy title. We are here to celebrate with you. And Chimama is in there. Papa can no noka. On why I join the night of Saint Morumba. Nah, I'm not here to celebrate with you right about it. All you have to do is send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Huh? We'll start off the celebration right about it. I get celebrated right now. And one of the first person I get celebrated no total. Where Bulumunye Donald Trump. Today is her birthday. She goes by the name Melania Trump, First Lady of the United States, former First Lady, you know, former Slovenia model, born April 26, 1970. So we celebrate her this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, Utako said go to keep Zua. Yatago.
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yes, I know, the Western media is all over the place. Never go to Maka Trump. Nka birthday, Melania Duku today, based on the fact that Trump will welcome mother hush money. Hush money, Yamishon, Ekupan anything. Or Ebolono, Yotago, on your lozo. On your bottle number, Yotago, Koko Yabo hush money, Kana, Kawapa, Nki Bazwa, Yotago, Stormy Daniels. Now I be a pop Tazilia court. Yotago na Kawana, some of you go up, no could you succeed as a president. And no go see on a medal into election, go make sure no take advantage. That was not democracy now. What for now? A lot of things and when it comes to Donald Trump, but right about now, I get celebrated the next person. You're going to celebrate it this morning. Today is the birthday of Channing Tatum, American actor, born April 26, 1980. So I now say again, happy birthday. Yes, remember that we need to celebrate you right now. Send SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08096661035. Today is also the birthday of Kane, a wrestler, Mrs. Ebule, a politician. He is an American professional wrestler, actor, businessman, and politician. Obon na watch WWE, got mother man na cover sometimes. So patakwan ebu na bo no kato onwe ko si maka okwesi na ring na patase na bo everywhere. You go see the in onya batana bolo bele mado. So we need to celebrate him this morning. He was born April 26, 1967. And I see again. Happy birthday. Yes, we need to celebrate you. Yes, also I celebrating Otutu Abulu onye digodu nnukwu ike n'isi onwe on a very good day. Watch na most of Hollywood movies on Adapatania, even Chinese movies on Apatania on a very good day. Here Japan on China Kobo. Man of Punya, Bonye gate mother ni fe n'obodo. Nya yefu film mother Potania, nya ndi niile no n'obodo associate everybody fe. Onye obuna anali na agbali also. We are talking about no other than Jet Li. We are celebrating him today. He was born April 26, 1963 in Beijing. He's a Singaporean martial artist and actor. Oh, yeah, behind a quality on a very good day. Hopefully, for Melona, one by one until you see everybody. So we celebrate him this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, so to Siadeketapo. Yes, today is also the birthday of Kevin James, American actor and comedian, born April 26, 1965. And I see again this morning. Happy birthday. Yes, I got Batabazana, I celebrated Deacon celebrated this morning. Yes, Kaina to down. Anakowana onwe FM Mekata Mende Taiwan. No be among the American on a very good day. Nahaga buy film. I am Haji where Mekwa Mbefan Ukraine ego, the same time Fan Israel ego. at the same time Fadimin na-enyekwa Taiwan ego in as much as na Philip abịa na Taiwan mana ọ just ka ha nyegodofe ego ka o gosi na mgbe ọbụla o ji bụrụ na ha dị ready ipele ya that side just to protect Taiwan people. Mana ofu onye wee na-erisi wee na-asị biko ọ bụrụ na ọgụ a su kịta ka eke esi wee nọ ya bụ ọgụ kedu ka ihe esi wee ma onye bụ onye China na onye bụ Taiwan na the matter one of the soldiers say anyway na ị ga-ama ka ya esi solve ya bụ ife na the strategy a ga-ewe wee nụọ ọgụ a bụ ndị Taiwan niile ma ihe site na anya unu ike ka anyị na-afịa kịta just for this moment a ga-anụ dị ọgụ just chakapụ anya gị mee ya ọfụma because in a ncha niile anya onye ọbụla mechisila anya emechi so keke ihe esi wee ma onye bụ onye on a very good day. My sister, can you tell the difference between a Taiwanese and a Chinese? Can you over here esi wee call like if onye China na onye Taiwan na can you tell the difference?
Most times how they you go but either one of my get differentiate.
Keke ihe esi differentiate onye Taiwan because nyelo maka on a very good day because here onye ọbụla fast not Chinese why have written Akụkọ Otikpoju is unfolding right about Ketafo. And now Ketafo Ayabatago Naijaka is celebrating Dike celebrated this morning as today is the birthday of Tony Iwobi. He is an Italian politician. And he's Iwobi by name. He was born April 26, 1955, and we celebrate him this morning. Now say again happy birthday. Yes, all the Gopakogi say they get involved. Let's celebrate you because I don't know to afford. Yes, today is also the birthday of Eric Acho Wakamma, former deputy governor, Abia State, Nigeria. He was born April 26, 1958 in Abia State. And I say again, happy birthday. Yes, it is unfolding. We need to celebrate you. And your messages now pour in Ketafo, and we need to celebrate. Ndike celebrate this morning. And right now, I'm with a message say, I'm Obiora from Okozo. Okay, we are getting to all of that. I went up another one. I say, good morning, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday to you. Some Metal and Lady Classic. It's me, the youngest Prayo from Unkwere Naka. And I'm wishing all the celebrants of today happy birthday, long life and prosperity, and everything good in is what I'm wishing them. Sameta, tomorrow is my birthday, but you guys should celebrate me today since you guys will not be on tomorrow. Okay, we'll see what we can do about that. So, Ziki more like double celebration. I'm like I celebrate Monday. Again. That's the way it goes. So I never again. You got for that tomorrow, and therefore, Jesus. Amen. Yes, so to said this morning. Yes, I want a message to say, please, don't. Okay, he said, okay. Thank you so much. Agunabo Nova Aguluzibo. Yes, I got your message, and thank you so much. God bless you. You have to go ahead. You are, one of the persons that displays that knowledge is power and you understand it properly. So Jesus. Amen. Today is also the birthday of Don P. Dabel, a Nigerian bishop, born April 26, 1949. I now see again a happy birthday. Yes, it's unfolding Ketafo. Yatago. Akoko oti bokrepo yatago nke bigodo na akwansa. Because right about Ketafo, we need to proceed. Mana kowa kosi adị nke ikpeazụ a na sometimes ọ na-adị mma ka egbusie ike ọ bụ na esiri ike yotago ịma mma ndị bụ ndị ịma mma na agụ na-abụ yotago bugodo ezigbote onye egwu n'isi onwe ha No na azo sige mi ike onye elekere yotago. We are talking about ndị ada yotago. So what are we talking about? We are talking about the fact that we must, restore the reading culture in our society today. I could say on a very good day. I am alive when we find out about hip hop and Igbo culture by yours faithfully. Even I born at the 103.5 FM and went to one copy. I went for so many other places here and went here. But right back at our home. As we it's time. Let's get ready to rumble. Akiko Otipoju. Well, if a mother man for fun keep as well, mother for girlfriend there now or young worker were outing on a very good day. And that could be no need na share bug out. Girlfriend bug and young one good go on young worker go for young wine. Now or young wine you will look bug and 18 can on. The man way something happened. We will talk about all of these things. A lot of things is happening. Mana akụkọ nke izi anyị ejiwa mabatagodo n'ụtụtụ a yotago bụ akụkọ dị oke mkpa a na-akọwa that na a great man get celebrated his birthday on the 29th of April already, even before that day get celebrated birthday ya and I put a lot of things about him. Yotago onwelo onye nke na-akọwa na the man bụ an epitome or an embodiment of hard work, it optimistic. Now, Lucioli can make sure now. He can make sure now. He now. So at the end of the day, Hamak was not a big bull. When I said that the man, he looks big, he thinks big, does big, sounds big, then smells big. I said that day, na how you celebrate to Yamana, Hanelo Tegudu. No, I remind the father, hard work pays.
Yeah, the Kubezoko and I other reason. Here achievable and the other mother of one a Yotano Chineke Gozla so na I think I see where Malopa or Chineke goes lonia but I yes walk all that hard if that now I'm yeni now Chineke again eat your way less and no one with Jenny was the only Yota to go to a person easy way so I make an and ICS celebrate
anyway. How to go yesterday? That day was Yotago it is on of Marcos on this platform. But right now, talking about Josie that now very soon, also now 25th of April, we said that the world will come to an end. We talked about it here. The man on 25th of April like that. And when they just save the Siaki and I check at 25th. So 25th, lose a gap as at this morning. You don't want to call that man. I will give a lot of things as a ketafo. The man can open the shop. Niafuli, Fiapo. Now that Chineke at this thing 2 times. A lot of Nigerians are actually aketas. I'm talking to you. So my sister, can you what this pastor? Can you go survive? Go to actually now. On about the most important thing. When I got this thing.
That's a time now. Obosawa Korea, like okay, 25 now. Can I tell you now? Not a ham. Hey, I'm surprised. But no, yes, but yeah, 25. So I didn't want to say quite all right. He be there yesterday and he was all over the place. I know that I said, oh, look at one case here. I'm not going for the Abulo now, but I think I go to the twice now. But I have to go 26 to
all the cap, also okay. And what one year rapture bulu. One of my guy, or what was it? EFCC careful nature. Why no age to be this kind of man? Akụkọ Otipoju ịma bata n'ụtụtụ anyị gwa anyị filo na ya befe elotem n'ụbọchị anyị na-ekwu maka na enwere particular individual kpọ ọnụ wee na-asị na ọma mbụ na ụwa na-ebi pase nọ na that day ga-abụ nnukwu ife ga-eme ịghọtago a ga na-elote mana now ibụ na mmụọ na-achọ ka nlote nnukwu ife melụ on that 25th ilotekwazi ịgwa anyị ka isi afọ ya befe it is unfolding right about now ịbatazi ịgwa anyị filo. Yeah, so akụkọ ọzọ njiwa mabata n'ụtụtụ a bụkwa ụmụnna na-aba anyị ka ha nụrụ ọgụ nke a ịghọtago mana enwekwanụ m option m ga-akọ ya bụ akụkọ ka ụmụnna tikwu ọnụ ịghọtago ka ọha na eze fụ ka ya bụ ifesi ahụ fụ eti ibi ọnụ na ọ bụrụ sọsọ na ba anyị ka ọ na-eme nke a na ọzọ bụ ka ọ mere na nzọ ọzọ bụ asị na mmadụ jide nwanne ya nwoke pịagide ịtalị tụrụ ọnwụọ ọ bụ gịnị na-ese maka ana a na-ekwu na ana na-ese the same time ọ nọ na-accuse ya na o ji ezuru tankị ọ dọba n'ụlọ ya na ndị nche yọtago ya na ụfọdụ ndị nche wee je apprehend ya the guy ka a apprehend ziri anya nwa ji aka ya wee pịaba ịtalị pịagide ịtalị tere nwanne ya nwoke ahụ nwụọ. Now, eyewitness report na-akọwa that the particular individual Melefe Anua, he flogged because he allegedly sold a water tank in his family house and used the money. Nigerians have called on the state government and the police to ensure that the person who did this got out of former. Now they are also calling on the government to protect the deceased, the wife Munye, protect home because now the intimidation will continue. You have to make sure na conceal ifa man. The man apparently for the 60 years. Yeah.
60 years. Can you have because the open water tank in a family power there. Where we call it go solve problem. It's all safe in all Diego we may fair or Zoichi. And calling here one day. Can you do one hand a mezi other than Kekita? Now, to an extent that now, do one hand a mezi other than Kekita? Now, to an extent that now, again, I want to go Moziki dosi, if any saloon. It has got one day model, however, where Piawazania, LCC, where Piawuzea, or Bologna Mulao. Only have refer, I was a lady enough, more, I was a lady now, especially in Anambra State, and a go, Quesilema. So how was the so one day you
get us involved.
Yes, get there. Almost so many people are able to report. It's about where sort solution. Yes, so that gets where resolving the whole thing. Because that is a muku and that's that he have also maybe that tank
one or not just because of Ozobo or anywhere, no Utsibi. All around us. One gapana to the extended, Yotago, and a mespa one na Ezoku na Nibo, and keep as well. Because one of the we and keep as well. See between water tank and one Keka on a very good day. Anyway, Ebatazano Toto, why you feel on Heninakus. Yes, I could also I do one batano total. I said yesterday, a lot of people now say Reno or Mokri, just wake KD for me all the time, or Kusoku and all of that. Yatago Maranyama Senyama Zukweni Kobana, Yatago on Yamuju, Tapano Auto. Welcome to Ifo yesterday about Mr. Pito B. Up Tapale again, Nakwana, Mr. Pito B. Zukweni Kobana, Yatago on Yamuju, Tapano Auto. Welcome to Ifo yesterday about Mr. Pito B. Up Tapale again, Nakwana. Mr. Pito B. Also, I want Mr. Pito B to former Vice President Atiku Abubakar. Maybe na Anyankia, you have to go feeling at the man who goes well, and all Balia. We were all this while. Macau just so you no man bully the president, who you could see it. And I say, Kefe Sano or Michuano or Mapuku anything. You have to go. One now suspect that this is about impeaching. If you don't impeach me, I will impeach you. That's the language. And I lobby me. Just lobby me to understand you. Akoko Osena Mr. Pito B Abolo Pano to Nigerian Safia Koside. Osenia Lute, Mr. Pito B threatened to sack non-indigenous in Anambra State at the time Bobo governor. Nialute. Now the first thing I remember Lagos State, Mbabia. Deport some people from Lagos. And then you'll be under bridge na Lagos. Push your hand in like and then Kevin Anambra or Makage Donia state to get a apology. You have to go. So Mr. Pitobi Anacona then now man. Now Asake a lot of people from Lagos, Batasia, Anambra. Now when Asena Asa then Nanyama Pusina Niaga Asake Ndiozo, no Panambra, no qua idiono doa. Now, Nyawabo Reno Mokrija Bopota Tui Ndiozo, no Panambra, no qua idiono doa. Now, Now about Reno Mokrija Bopota tweet, old tweeting, Mr. Peter B tweet. Yotago. Now I'll say, please fact me. After Lagos repatriated homeless Nigerians from Anambra who were living under the under Lagos bridges back to Anambra State, then Governor Peter Obi threatened to retaliate against Lagos and other states because he deemed the Lagos state's action as unconstitutional at the end of the day. Now, I am as one of Melia, go to your two were point here, but easy and your two were point here, but easy enough for him to use a detribalized Nigerian who will always
yes, because it's not even introduced yet to former VP. But I don't think they are surprised by there for them. So, Manabian heading on Kwango, if we're going to had the boom, so now you're going to talk here. See, I go get you the whole thing because now I told you put our who he had an equipment away more if or Jamaica will let because they also say, when you fair or sorry. We vote I go get you and I got all quadri from this side or cover from the other. I go get you and I got all quadri from this side or cover from the other side. You are okay, and who if I get me and come
okay.
So,
na-asị na onwere ife ọmịka ya ụdị mmapụta nke ya wee sị yes otu a ọmọkirisi wee kwuo kịta na enwere skuul ọlụ ọsị mfat ọ bụrụ na ịbụ onye obidient anywhere na ọ ya ewepụta 10,000 na-ekwukwala ife ọ na-ekwu ọ mapụtakwa again na-apịasu na-asị mfat na ihe ya na-ekwuzi kịta na ya ịbatazie ịgwa ya ife ilo na ya bụ ife ka o si ahụ fold ekwetara n'ihi na ya accuse ya n'okwu niile ha na-ekwugasị about him anyị ncha bụ ndị nọsị na Anambra focus wee lụ ọlụ but we'll talk now ihe na-eme over there wee bụrụ na enwelu emanụ kpọ girlfriend ya say okay, let's go out for young for the real estate
all the time. I not control variable iwe ma ọbịa